Hello mga kapatid! Blessed evening mga kapatid. Ayan, for today's video guys, still we will worship God. And then the title of this song is Still. Even though we have a lots of trials, we have a lots of circumstances, pagsubok na naranasan mo sa buhay ngayon, but always remember that God is always there for us, no matter what happened, and God is always with you. Amen? So, malaya po kayo na sabayan ako to worship our God. Amen. Mga kapatid, I admit I am not good in guitar, but para kay Lord, I will do my best. Nag-practice pa lang po ako actually pag gitara. Kapatid, and of course, don't forget to like, share, and of course to subscribe my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to follow my Facebook, Gemma Bandol. Actually mga kapatid, I have a lots of account, pero ang active ko talaga na ginagamit na account is yung Gemma Bandol. Yung yung cover photo ko is Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Yung po kasi doon po rin ako nag-live sailing at the same time doon po ako nag-update ng mga vlogs ko. God bless everybody. Thank you for watching guys.